So you're driving along and the dreaded check engine light appears on the dash. And then you realize something doesn't feel right.
A check engine light could mean any number of things, so I pull into my garage to diagnose the problem.
I'm Sergio Lugo, and this is Kobalt in the Garage. First, what we need to do is plug in the diagnostic tool to see what's going on.
I'm using a Bluetooth connected diagnostic tool that lets you read error codes from your engine's computer in a smartphone app.
The app says there's a misfire on cylinder number 3, and with a car with this many miles, it's time to change the spark plug. I'm going to show you how to replace a spark plug and get you back on the road in no time.
Spark plugs are essential to keeping your car running. They create sparks that ignite the air-fuel mixture in your engine's combustion chamber, and these explosions ultimately turn your engine. For this repair, we're going to need a 3/8" ratchet, a 3" extension, a 5/8" spark plug socket, and an iridium spark plug, which is designed to fit our vehicle.
This car has a V8 engine, and the spark plugs are located here on both sides of the engine block.
The easiest way to find the spark plugs is by following the ignition wire down from the ignition coil. First, I need to remove the spark plug wire, revealing the spark plug. In many cars, including this one, the plugs can be located in a tight spot or at a difficult angle.
A ratchet and an extension can be crucial to making this repair a success.
Once you have the socket over the head of the spark plug, it's just a few turns to loosen and remove it from the engine.
Now that we removed the bad spark plug, we're going to get the new spark plug and reinstall it in reverse order.
First, I place the spark plug in the socket and screw it in by hand. Then, we can use the ratchet to tighten it. Then I reattach the ignition wire. We're almost done, but I still have that annoying check engine light to deal with.
So now that we replaced the spark plugs, we're going to clear the fault code in the app.
I use the diagnostics app to clear the codes from the engine's computer. And then restart the vehicle. And we're good to go.
So with the new spark plugs in, the check engine light is off, and the car is purring like it's supposed to.
Now that your vehicle is all set up with new spark plugs, you should be ready to hit the road too.